told me when I was young, come sit beside me, my only song. Listen closely to what I say, and if you do this, it'll help you some sunny day. Alright. Oh, take your time, don't let too fast.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, it's not doing a lot now.
I'm going to do that, put a worm on like you, a sliver of squid, then put a cart on there as well.
Oh, but I'm just single worm, try and get over that back bank.
Over the back, oh right, foot, yeah, okay.
Try and get your distance at the moment.
Yeah. First cast straight into the coddling. Well done, pal. Great start. Well, I haven't set up yet. I'm just literally setting up. We're having a really good day's pleasure fishing, me and Dan again. First chuck, single worm, straight into the coddling. Today could be a good day. Welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. Sunday morning. Very cold Sunday morning. We've just we're back out fishing. I'm fishing with Dan today again. Jordy and YUKKA are out there. White House. We've done a bit of recce this morning before big breakfast. We had a big breakfast down at Withersea. Beautiful. I'll put a picture in this to show you. And it was a little bit packed, so we've just come to Runnels, and it's a great start. I've not even chucked one out. Dan chucked one out. Dan chucked one straight out. Got one straight away. He's going to fish with two rods. He's fishing with the new Akios rod Sam bought his brother the other day, and he's got his beloved Sonic rod he loves. But what we'll do, it's a big session this, that's why we've got plenty of pack up, plenty of bait, and we're good to go. So hopefully should be, and it's light. I don't like filming in the dark because it's awkward, it's just you lose power, etc. But yeah, Dan just getting another one out now, look. Hey, it's on, yeah. Oh, here we go. He's gonna come and show us. Just go through the rig with you, Dan, for us.
Right, it's only a standard pulley rig, single yellow. I've got my brother's new rod, so I'll see if I can snap it.
Horrible, isn't he? Single worm, long pulley. Let's get him casting here. Great rods them though, fucking love them. Straight on that sandbank.
Over the back of it.
Let's go. I'm gonna get rigged up, get a bait out there, and I'll be back shortly. Another mock, is it? Yeah. Oh, a bit bigger. Yeah, a bit bigger that one, pal. On two now. Dan the man.
2 in 2 casts.
2 in 2 casts.
messing about,
Single worm, innit?
Yeah, straight worm.
Straight worm. Yellows.
Oh, yeah, see if we get them bigger ones.
2-0 for Dan. Right, I'll come back. Let's see my rod go now. Hey! Fish on! And we're into them. Little mop. Great start. That was on the worm, carp and squid. Big bait, but brilliant. Carp, pal. Let's go. Get this in the bag, back again. Oh, we're back. Bit more comfy fishing today, bit more comfy, and it's nice to be fishing with mate Dan today, because obviously matches are a bit high tense, chasing it and all that, they're up and down the coast, but yeah, nice bit of pleasure fishing today. He's got his bivvy up,
out the wind,
out the breeze. And we're having a big session today, so we'll come here about 11 o'clock. As you've seen, we've had a 3 fish up to now in the box. Lost hard. We're just losing a bit of time really, and then we're going to fish it all the way up like 8 o'clock tonight. So this should be a brilliant session, because all the fish have been coming up on round here on the up. Obviously, he's a grafter. He's Dan. He's got his own business, so. It's hard to get it. It's been difficult. The
struggle to get here after
work with the hours. Yeah. So
have a good go today.
Yeah, definitely, mate. Yeah. He'll go through some of the rigs as well. He uses
old rigs in bottom of the box.
Yeah.
If the hook's blunt, he gets a new one.
Yeah. Bait wise, fresh yellowtails, squid, and always put crab cart on. I'm just fishing there. He's got his 2 rods, which you can't see were behind us. Let's go through what Dan uses. So Dan's obviously, we've seen this one. He's using the his brother's rod. These apparently don't make them no more, do they, Dan?
I love them, mate.
Yeah, Sonics.
Yeah. People snap Sonics. I've had them for 10 years. I love them. They're just something
Conti rod.
Yeah. Thin braid and a Conti rod. Send the leads. Yeah. It's the best, real best.
Yeah, we're just waiting to that tide to turn, get that pull going, and we'll do some hard fishing.
Yeah. Jordy and that are up further up there, smashing them out, aren't they?
Oh, smashing it, yeah. Jordy and Yuck, they're fish a chuck.
A bit further down.
We went up there this morning, you see, and there was a lot of people fishing. Dan likes fishing where no one's fishing, so like I say, we'll come back to Runnels. Yeah, it was a bit crowded up there, but people dropped off and they're on a fish a chuck. But when this floods in, I think it'll be all right, personally.
Should get a few.
Yeah.
6-7 pounders, that's what we want.
That's what we need. Definitely.
right now. Look, it's just covering them rocks now.
Yeah, yeah.
Just start seeing them soon.
Right, I'll bring you back. Hopefully next time we'll be into the fish.
£7.
£7.
Yeah.
Hopefully we'll see some good size fish today. We've got a few to start with, but we're here. Big session. We need to see some decent cod today. Catch you soon. Cod on.
Yeah.
Well done, Dan.
In that hole. Oh, soft these rocks.
So do you rate them, Dan?
Alright for our kids, but I'm doing a bit soft. I've just ordered the other one. This is the air talk about the air power.
Is the air power more expensive?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't know what they're like. Perfect for my brother, this.
Yeah, yeah.
Just getting into it, innit?
Yeah. What's the difference between the air power then?
Well, I'm hoping it's a bit stiffer.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And we're in. Another coddling. Hey, better. Oh, that's a better. Just put all the videos together, so I'm having battery problems when it's saying full battery and it's running out, but there we go.
Coming back on.
Well done, pal.
Good fun on us.
So we're in a bit of a few problems with the batteries. I don't know the reason, because there's 80% and we're yeah, but we are on now. Oh, cod number 4, wherever he's put it anyways, but yeah.
Bucket.
So maybe because it's too cold, I don't know, but we're having a few problems with the batteries on the GoPro. It just, there's 80% and it keeps cutting out, but it's holding firm now. But yeah, anyways, he's just had one. We'll get chucked out and we'll go again. Yeah, but yeah,
They're a big one.
spot on. Right, back soon. Dan's in again. Both rods just went. I'm having a problem with the GoPro, but we're on the phone, so
Got a chuck.
cod a chuck now. I think I'm just cod on. So I'll get this in. I'll get another bait out there myself. I think they're coming on now. So out the snags. Yeah, yeah.
Once you get over that foolish gully, you're alright.
And that's your worm and squid baits, that, Dan, is it?
No, straight yellow.
Straight yellow, right? Okay. Yeah, another mop. There we go, they're in.
Oh, we're on the same stamps, aren't
Yeah, aren't they?
2 pounders.
Yeah, look, fish out that we're catching. Well done, mate. So, like I say, I've got cart on man, and I'll be taking the cart off and I'll be going straight worm. That's why we're working together to find out what's working. Basically what's working. It's the worm tonight, so now the fish are coming in, I will be switching to worm. And Dan?
Standard pulley
So
rig.
we're just going for a
Standard
Dan's going to
pulley.
go through what he's using.
2 or 3 yellers. Both hooks near each other. 2.5 foot long.
Pulley rig.
That's all you need. Splash down
Yeah.
on the bottom imps on this one. All we need, isn't it?
So obviously both rods are going at distance, aren't you, as far as you can?
Trying to,
Yeah, yeah.
That one's going a bit further than the other, but trying to get them over that back bank.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I think the fish aren't coming over it, but
We're on to them now, aren't we?
we're on some now, like.
Let's go.
Good cast, small bait, and a good cast.
Let's go. Right, back soon. There we go then. Dan, show us what we've got tonight then, pal.
Bucket full of mops. All 2 pounders.
Oh, yeah.
Had a few, bumped a few off and missed a few, but
Got a few tonight, haven't we?
yeah,
Outstanding. Brilliant day.
oh, a couple of pounds. Good table fish.
It's top of tide now, and it didn't really kick off what we thought it might have done, but we still got 5 fish between us, so it's all right. And there was all like 2.5 pound, but I'm gonna get it all loaded on the video. It's been brilliant tonight fishing with Dan. Really long session. Got on the beat about 12, and it is 8 o'clock, 7:45 now. So this is the last chuck, but it's been a great fishing with Dan. And hope you pick little bits up, because it just shows you how much of a match angler coming
Match
Dan.
angler. Home time.
Yeah, turn that off.
Yeah,
Yeah, you enjoyed it today then, pal?
it's been good, hasn't it?
Yeah, enjoyed it.
Should have had a few more, but never mind.
Yeah.
Still a good session, wasn't it?
Fucking brilliant, mate. Yeah, outstanding. Until next week, matching it.
Yeah, small tires are full of shit, but
I know he's into.
does it?
No.
Have a go, don't we?
Yeah.
Good stuff.
Right, we'll wrap up. Thanks again. I'll get this loaded. Thank you for watching Steve O's Wild Fishing.
It's something strange. Once you've started, you get like addicted to it. You just live it, you know, like day and night. Think about it, talk about it. Some days you don't want to go. You know, how the hell did I start? You know, but once you've got cracking like it, well, I always feel that it's a work of art. You know, a masterpiece. Bitter cold morning, the wind howling down off the mountains, you know,